airflow separates from the car's rear. There's another similar edge here in the taillight that makes a big difference aerodynamically. From a design point of view, it's advantageous that an observer would not notice this edge immediately. So those two things exemplify how great our teamwork with the designer was.
Thanks to the intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system, the BMW X5 has perfect traction even on off-road terrain. The xDrive's DSC sensors monitor vehicle status and react with lightning speed, intervening before a critical situation can develop.
This car brings a lot of functionality, much more versatility than its predecessor. Another great feature we wanted to keep in this X5 is the two-pieces tailgate. We made it even more practical than before. It is lower, it is shorter, and the great thing about this is that when you load things in your trunk, you never get your pants dirty.
What we're particularly proud of in the new X5 is the luggage compartment, here with the optional third seat row, which means that we have created lots of room in the interior that you can't see from outside.
What about your experience with the BMW X5? Just send us emails, photos, or even a film clip. The best ones will be published.